Area I throw salute to another welcome of football in Pidgin after match. Talk am how you see am. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, turn on the notification button, and also like, share, and drop comment for this video. Leeds United 0 and Manchester United 2. And we get our guy Joshua, be like saying a Bunga person and a Bunga Man U fan. If you see him as you come this interview, he come smile because the team don't do that thing when they expect. But we could hear from you, guy Joshua. How you see your team performance today?
Thank you very much. I enjoyed the performance today because Man U really deliver for us.
They deliver for you. What do you expect now? You see?
Yes, yes. Although the first half we get pressure, almost a little bit of the second half, but we deliver last. Now, I enjoyed the match today as we did deliver. And Rashford not be my man of the match. I enjoy what Rashford do. In the shots when he get not too much, but he just take him.
Make sure say he deliver one. That one way he get it. Bury him.
Yes, exactly.
The title race now. We got this one, Arsenal drawn point for their last 2 games. Man U drawn point against Leeds, but now Man U don't pick up points. And this win, when Man U win, now Man U don't reduce the gap for Arsenal. And with this win itself, Man U go climb, go second until Oga Manchester City go play. Because we don't say Manchester City they be Oga until they go play. So, but how you they see the title race with all this kind of performance when Man U they perform now, Arsenal they draw point. How you they see the title race? You think say Man U if you win this league?
Well, nothing is impossible. I would believe say we still try because you dey see as the league they go so draws they come. Anything can happen. See they see am. As without even dey second position now, so I believe say we still try. We still get games to play now, Abi. So possibly we did the title race like this. I will say we still conquer am. That's what I see am.
So you make Man U fans they believe say this season something will happen.
Yes, so make them believe am. I believe say anything will happen this season. We still do am. We still overtake Arsenal for the title race. Yes.
Make I ask you about Harry Maguire. We know say that one player we don't get stick where. You understand? Stick for both when they play for international, some people say they give am stick. But how you see Harry Maguire performance today?
Well, I'm not gonna lie, for this match, my heart the beat as I see that guy for the field. They expect to, because he gets the kind of passes when he even they throw now fade pass. But I believe say as he tried for this match, so if they get clean sheet, they go see they improve like that. You understand? So as he come up like this, so say they not score, he not cause error when the fit scores. I believe saying himself because they try, they make a balance for that team.
So also I want to ask you about one player. This player will be like say it don't cost small talk. Some Man U fans go support, some Man U fans not go support. I want to ask you about Weghorst. This signing will come on loan from Burnley. To you as a Man U fan, with what you don't see so far, what do you get to talk about the striker?
Well, now our top 9, and you know say normally new team they always come with different surprises. When he never still blend well, so I don't feel right I'm off yet, but I believe say with time he go see try deliver for us. But it's not still easy to play top side like this and got it delivered too. So he go take small time, but I believe say he go see perform very well for the Premier League with this.
So your message to Man U fans now, may they give Weghorst time?
Yes, now time. May they just give him more time. He go perform very well. He go score goals for us. Yes, I'll tell him that.
So I want to ask you about Rashford now. With the way Rashford they play currently, we know say get other top players when they this kind of form where Rashford did. I'm talking about our own Nigeria brother, Victor Osimhen. Currently now, you as a Man U fan, you fit talk saying that Rashford be the player with the hot pass based on form.
Well, there are many other players to talk about now, but right now, so you can see Rashford, you not get game when he not deliver. Even if they say we draw, in the deliver, he must score goal. And consistency might be everything. I believe say as time to go in, they deliver more. So he does score more than how many goals this season now. So in the try, then he go deliver very well. And consistency now we just need. Yeah.
All right now, guys. My country people now lawyer boy of course where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.